In a shocking turn of events, a Palantir board member deletes his X account after a controversial post. What did he reveal, and why did it spark such a backlash? Hello everyone, before starting video, important info. This video is AI generated and created purely for informational purposes. Welcome to Infotech Stocks channel. A director vanishes, Palantir in the spotlight. A Palantir board member deleted his X account. This happened after a controversial post. The post hinted at a strategy shift for the data giant. What did it all mean? The post was cryptic, leaving many to speculate about its true intentions. Was this a slip-up or a calculated move? The timing of the deletion raised eyebrows. The incident put Palantir in the news. Media outlets quickly picked up the story, leading to widespread coverage. It also raised questions about the company's plans. Investors and analysts alike were left wondering about the future direction of Palantir. One thing is certain, Palantir's move to Nasdaq is a big deal. The company's decision to go public has been a topic of much discussion. This move could impact investors big time. The stock market has been closely watching Palantir's performance, especially those who follow ETFs or exchange-traded funds. Palantir's inclusion in various ETFs could have significant implications. Buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. The coming months will be crucial for Palantir as it navigates this new chapter. The financial world is abuzz with speculation. Analysts are poring over every detail, trying to predict the company's next move. Palantir's leadership is under the microscope. Every decision they make is being scrutinized. The public is eager for answers. Social media is rife with theories and opinions. Investors are keeping a close eye on stock prices. Any fluctuation could signal a shift in market sentiment. Experts are weighing in. Some believe this is a strategic play, while others see it as a sign of internal turmoil. The truth may lie somewhere in between. Only time will tell how this will unfold. For now, all eyes are on Palantir. The company's next steps will be crucial in shaping its future. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story. Palantir's journey is far from over. This is just the beginning. The world will be watching. Alex Karp, a Palantir director, dropped a bombshell on X. He claimed Palantir's move to Nasdaq wasn't just symbolic. It was a calculated move to trigger massive ETF buying. Karp implied this would boost Palantir's stock price. Retail traders got excited. The prospect of easy money is always tempting, but others weren't so thrilled. Karp's statement raised eyebrows. Some questioned its transparency and compliance. Was this appropriate behavior for a company director? The controversy was only beginning. Moving to Nasdaq is a big deal for Palantir. This transition marks a significant milestone in the company's journey, symbolizing its growth and ambition. Nasdaq, known for its tech-heavy listings, provides a platform that aligns well with Palantir's innovative and data-driven approach. The move is not just a change of venue, it represents a strategic alignment with the heart of the tech industry. It aligns the company with other tech giants. By joining the ranks of companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Google, Palantir is positioning itself among the elite in the tech world. This association can enhance its brand image and credibility, making it more attractive to potential clients and partners. The Nasdaq listing is a statement of intent, signaling Palantir's readiness to compete on a global scale. This could attract new investors. The visibility and prestige of being listed on Nasdaq can draw the attention of a broader range of investors, from institutional investors to individual traders. The increased exposure can lead to higher trading volumes and potentially a more stable stock price. For investors, Palantir's move to Nasdaq could be seen as a vote of confidence in the company's future prospects. Being on Nasdaq also means inclusion in major tech ETFs. Exchange-traded funds that focus on the tech sector often include companies listed on Nasdaq. This inclusion can provide additional liquidity and stability to Palantir's stock. For passive investors, it offers an easy way to gain exposure to Palantir without having to buy individual shares. These funds track specific sectors. By being part of these ETFs, Palantir can benefit from the overall growth of the tech sector. As tech continues to drive innovation and economic growth, being included in these funds can provide a steady stream of investment. This can help Palantir weather market volatility and focus on long-term growth. Inclusion in these ETFs could bring in passive investors. These investors typically follow a buy-and-hold strategy, providing a stable base of shareholders. This can reduce stock price volatility and create a more predictable market environment for Palantir. The presence of passive investors can also signal confidence in the company's long-term strategy and potential. However, Karp's statement muddied the waters. CEO Alex Karp's comments during the announcement raised eyebrows. While the move to Nasdaq was expected to be a straightforward growth strategy, Karp hinted at underlying motives that were not immediately clear. His cryptic remarks left analysts and investors speculating about the true reasons behind the move. It implied the Nasdaq move was about more than just growth. Karp's statement suggested that there might be strategic or even political considerations at play. This added a layer of complexity to the narrative, making it difficult for stakeholders to fully understand the implications of the move. The ambiguity created uncertainty in the market, affecting investor sentiment. It hinted at market manipulation, a serious accusation. The suggestion that the move could be part of a broader strategy to influence market dynamics raised concerns. Market manipulation is a serious issue that can have legal and financial repercussions. The mere hint of such activities can damage a company's reputation and erode investor trust. The situation became more complex by the day. As analysts and investors dug deeper, more questions than answers emerged. The lack of clarity from Palantir's leadership only fueled speculation. The market's reaction was mixed, with some seeing potential opportunities and others wary of the risks. In the end, Palantir's move to Nasdaq remains a significant but complex chapter in its ongoing story. Karp deleted his X account shortly after the post. This only fueled the fire. Was this an admission of guilt, or was he trying to contain the damage? Palantir's stock initially rallied on the news. Investors loved the idea of ETF inclusion. But the rally was short-lived. The controversy and Karp's silence created uncertainty. Investors hate uncertainty. This incident complicated Palantir's narrative. It raised doubts about the company's communication practices. Palantir's future. What's at stake for investors? The short-term impact on Palantir's stock is unclear. Volatility is almost guaranteed. In the long term, the Nasdaq listing could be beneficial. ETF inclusion might attract new investors. But the controversy surrounding Karp's statement lingers. This incident raises questions about Palantir's governance. It also highlights the risks associated with individual board members' actions. Investors are left to weigh the potential rewards against the risks. The big picture: trust, tech, and transparency. In today's interconnected world, these three elements are more crucial than ever. This isn't just about Palantir, it's about the broader implications for the tech industry and beyond. This incident speaks to larger issues. It highlights the vulnerabilities and the responsibilities that come with handling vast amounts of data. The influence of social media on markets is undeniable. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook can sway public opinion and market trends in an instant. So is the power of ETFs in shaping investment strategies. These financial instruments have revolutionized the way people invest, but they also come with their own set of risks. Transparency and ethical conduct are paramount. Companies must be open about their practices and ensure they are acting in the best interests of their stakeholders, especially for companies dealing with sensitive data like Palantir. Karp's actions have consequences. When leaders make decisions that compromise trust, it can have a ripple effect throughout the organization. They erode trust in the company and its leadership. Investors, employees, and customers all start to question the integrity of the organization. This situation is a stark reminder that even in the tech world, actions have repercussions. The decisions made at the top can impact the entire industry, influencing how other companies operate and how they are perceived by the public. Building and maintaining trust requires consistent effort. It's about more than just words. It's about actions that demonstrate a commitment to ethical behavior and transparency. As technology continues to evolve, the importance of trust, tech, and transparency will only grow. Companies must navigate this landscape carefully, balancing innovation with responsibility. Leaders must set the tone from the top, fostering a culture of openness and accountability. This is not just a challenge for Palantir, but for the entire tech industry. The future of tech depends on our ability to build systems that are not only advanced but also trustworthy. By prioritizing transparency and ethical conduct, we can create a more secure and equitable digital world for everyone. What's next for Palantir? Palantir needs to address this issue head-on. A clear and concise statement is crucial. They need to reassure investors and the public. The company's actions will speak louder than words. If Palantir wants to be seen as a responsible tech leader, it needs to act like one. This situation is a test for Palantir. How they handle it will determine their future. The world is watching. Stay informed. The story continues. This is a developing story. Stay tuned for updates. What do you think about Alex Karp's actions? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. The world of tech and finance is full of surprises. We'll We'll be here to break them down for you.